Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Facebook app not working issue on iPhone. If the Facebook app is not working on your iPhone, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the issue. First of all, you have to do is update the Facebook app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Facebook app. Open the App Store on your iPhone, then search Facebook, go to search bar and search here Facebook. Tap on Facebook. Now check if there's any updates available for the Facebook app. Like this. If it's a app, then you have to simply tap on update and update the Facebook to its latest version. After this, then you have to do is restart the Facebook app. Our next step is to restarting the app. So guys, simply you have to open your Facebook app and swipe up from the right top corner of your screen and close it and try reopening it again. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is check your internet connections. Make ensure that your iPhone is connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. You have to go to your control center, and from here you can see that your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or not. After this, then you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve app-related issues. So you have to open your settings, tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work out, then our next step is update iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open your software update and check if there's any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I am having an update of 17.2. All I have to do is simply tap on update now or I can update it tonight. So guys, after trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then our last step is to reinstall the Facebook app. Delete the Facebook app from your iPhone and then reinstall it from the App Store. To do this, you have to simply tap and hold on your app, then tap on remove app, then tap on delete app and delete the Facebook app and then reinstall it from the App Store. So guys, this was some steps from which you can fix your Facebook app not working on your iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.